Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 19 of annual term, and my dear student, our today's topic is assignment discussion. Okay, so let us start our class. Here assignment subject mathematics, and it is assignment 4 of mathematics, class 8. So my dear student, we all know how to write assignments. Okay, so just like previous one, you have to write your assignment in your assignment copy. Now my dear student, what is our assignment task? The summation of 4 sides of a quadrilateral is 20 centimeter and no side is less than 3 centimeter. Draw the proportional diagram and write 2 characteristics of the following quadrilaterals. Okay, A number square, B number rhombus but not square, C number rectangle but not square, D number parallelogram but not rectangle or square, E number trapezium but not rectangle. So my dear student, now we discuss how to draw or how to find out side of is square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram or trapezium. Here you notice the step is the summation of 4 sides of a quadrilateral is 20 centimeter, and we know summation of 4 sides of quadrilateral is called perimeter. Okay, so here you notice the number 1 square. We know that what is the definition of a square? The definition of a square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called square. Okay, so how can we find one side of square? Notice summation of 4 sides of a quadrilateral is 20 centimeters. So we can write the summation of we can easily write the perimeter of a square is 20 centimeter. The perimeter of a square is 20 centimeter, and we know the wall sides are equal of a square. So how can we find out the length of one side? We divide this 20 centimeter by 4 and we get one side. So one side equal to 20 divided by 4 and we get 5 centimeters. So we need to draw such a square whose one side is 5 centimeters. So how can, first of all you draw a line whose measurement is 5 centimeter. After that you take a line of 5 centimeter. In this line you draw a right angle by using compass and pencil, this way, this. Then after drawing this you take another 5 centimeter side. Okay, by using this side and this side as the point, as the center, you draw 2 are inside of this angle. Okay, this one. Now you join, and after completing joining, then you get the required square. I hope you have understood how to draw this square. Okay, my dear student, but I draw here freehand, but you must use scale, pencil and compass. Okay, so A number done. Next question number B, rhombus but not a square. That means we need to draw a rhombus. So how can we draw rhombus? And we know the definition of rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal but no angles right angle is called rhombus. So we can say from the stem that the perimeter of the rhombus is 20 centimeter. So we can divide this 20 centimeter by 4 and we get the side of rhombus. So 20 divided by 4 and we get 5 centimeter. So we need to draw a rhombus whose each side is 5 centimeter, but in this case no side is right angle. So you have to take an angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. That means it will be 80 degree, it will be 70 degree, it will be 60 degree, and whatever you want to choose. So how can notice this is 5 centimeter side of a rhombus. Then you use a 5 centimeter side. After that, here you draw a angle which is less than 90 degree. Here I draw 60 degree angle. Now another 5 centimeter. Then according to this one and this one, we draw two arcs equal to 5 centimeter. Then join, and after that you get the required rhombus. All sides are equal here, and no angles are right angle. So it is the figure of rhombus. Here I draw it in freehand, but you have to draw by using compass, pencil and scale. Okay, so B number done. Next on C number, rectangle but not square. So how can you draw rectangle but not square? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and parallel, but opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are right angle. Here you notice the summation of four sides of a quadrilateral is 20 centimeter, and one side is less than 3 centimeter. That means its breadth will be 3 centimeter. My dear student, its breadth will be 3 centimeter. I repeat, its breadth will be 3 centimeter. So BREA DTA is breadth of the rectangle is 3 centimeter. So what will be the length? We know that perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, okay, equal to 20 centimeter. Now length we don't know, we need to find out, and breadth is 3 centimeter, and divided this 20 by 2 and we get 10. After that we need to find out length. So 3 changes its position and it go to the right hand side, and this plus 3 will be minus 3, and the length will be 7 centimeter. Here you notice length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. By using these two measurements, you have to draw the rectangle, and we know all sides are equal, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are right angle. This is 7 centimeter consider, and this is 3 centimeter. You have to use a scale and pencil to draw this, but here I draw freehand 3 centimeter. Then in this case you take length 7 centimeter. Here you draw a right angle by using compass and pencil, okay, and from this you take 3 centimeter line. After that, according to this one, you take an arc by taking measurement of 7 centimeter, and according to this one you take an arc using 3 centimeter. Now you draw and you get the required rectangle. I hope you have understood how to draw this. And parallelogram same as question number C. That means its length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter, and length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter, but here no angles will be right angles. So how can notice this 7 centimeter, this 3 centimeter, and you can take any angle less than 90 degree. That means this is 7 centimeter, here you draw 60 degree angles, and this is 3 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, okay. And now using this point as the center, you take an arc by using 7 centimeter as the arc, okay. Then taking this point as the center, you draw another arc whose measurement is 3 centimeter. Now you add and you get the parallelogram. I hope you have understood how to draw parallelogram by using this one. And question number E, trapezium. What is the definition of trapezium? We know that a quadrilateral which has a set of parallel sides, but the sides are not equal. Here all sides are different in length. It's called trapezium. I repeat, all sides are different in length, and there is a condition: no side is less than 3 centimeter. That means its smallest side will be 3 centimeter. Now notice E number, smallest side, first side equal to 3 centimeter. Then consider second side will be 4 centimeter. Third side will be 5 centimeter. Okay, then what will be the fourth side? We subtract the measurement of these three sides. Three plus 4 plus 5. That means 3, 4, 7, 7, 5, 12. If we subtract, then we get 8 centimeter. That means first side 3 centimeter, second side 4 centimeter, third side 5 centimeter, and fourth side is 8 centimeter. So my dear student, by using 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, you have to draw a trapezium. So how can this is 3 centimeter A, this is 4 centimeter B, this is 5 centimeter, it is C, this is 8 centimeter, it is D. So how can, first of all, we take a 8 centimeter line. After that, here you draw an angle, any type of angle, by using 3 centimeter, that means A. So this is 3 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. Okay, and taking this one as the center and using 5 centimeter, you draw an arc which is this, and again taking this point as the center, you draw another arc by using this 4 centimeter, and they intersect at a point. Now you join this one and this one, and A, B, C, D. It is the required trapezium. Now my dear student, not only draw the figure, you have to write at least two characteristics. I repeat, you have to write at least two characteristics of the figure. Suppose square. What is the characteristics of a square? It has 4 equal sides. Next on, the summation of 4 angles of the square is 360 degree. It has 2 equal diagonals. Number 4, the diagonals mutually intersect each other. Same as rhombus. Characteristics of rhombus is it has 4 equal sides, but but no angles is right angle. It has 2 diagonal which bisect each other. Then rectangle, its opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angles make 360 degree. Just like D number, similar as C, all sides are equal, opposite sides are equal and parallel. No angles right angle. All angle makes 360 degree. The diagonal bisect each other. Trapezium, no angles right angle. It has a set. Sorry, no. It has 4 sides. They are not equal each other. They are different in size. Number B, it has 2 diagonal which bisect each other. It has a set of parallel sides, but not equal. So my dear student, this is our assignment. You have to write the assignments very carefully in assignment offset paper and submit in next Saturday. Submit it next Saturday. Okay my dear student, I hope you have understood how to write assignment. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.